Let's create a Nike sign. I'm going to insert a Nike image. I'm going to go to Insert, Canvas. I'm going to select the image. Here I've got a nice Nike logo. I'm going to open the logo. Select the face to put it onto. Let's put it on that face. And let's say OK. Now I'm going to make a sketch. Create sketch. I'm going to do it on the same face. I'm going to draw a rectangle, construction, and I'm going to decide how big my sign is. I'm going to make it 250 high. I'm going to press tab and let's make it 600 wide more or less. Let's see where it fits in. I'm going to say finish. Turn to the front side again. Now I'm going to go to my canvas. I'm going to right click, edit the canvas, and now I'm going to move the canvas so that it will fit into my block. So I scale it by dragging the center. Okay, let's say I'm happy with that, and I'm going to press OK. Now I'm going to go back to sketches, and I'm going to edit the sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. Let's say the line starts from here to there. I'm using the scroll button on the mouse to zoom in and out to there. I'm going to press the right click, the marker to stop. Now I'm going to create a spline. Zoom in again. And start there. I'm going to put 1 point there, 1 point there, and 1 point there, and then I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to make another one, 1 point there, 1 point there, zoom with the mouse scroll wheel, 1 point there, 1 point there, and close. And then I'm going to stop. Zoom in. Now I'm going to right click and say OK because I'm finished with the spline function. Now I'm going to drag these lines until I'm happy it's more or less on the line. That one. That one. Okay. I'm going to finish my sketch. Now I can switch off my canvas. I can go to this view and I'm going to say I'm going to extrude. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to make this 60i. Then I'm going to press enter. Now I can orbit to see what my sign looks like. Right. First step, the 3D printer doesn't like very sharp edges. So I'm first going to break those edges by going to modify and fillet. So I'm going to press that edge and that. Let's do one at a time. That edge, and I'm going to fillet it, let's say 3 millimeters. I don't want to fillet it too much, but yeah, that looks good. And I'm going to fill it this edge as well. Let's see what the two ones look like. Each maybe 2.5. The more the better. Okay. Now I've done that. The next step is to, depending on what I want to do, if I want a straightforward print with a brim on the outside, I can send it to the, I can go to body and I can right click and I can say save as STL. I'm going to send it directly to my Cura. Press OK. Cura's open. What I can do now is look at the bottom. If you go for the original settings, I'm going to go for a 2.5 mil. Not 2.5 mil wall thickness, and if I just take it as it is and I slice it, and I go to preview, you'll see it makes a nice slice. To make it stick to the printer, I can maybe make the brim a little bit wider. We do that under both plate adhesions. We're going to make the brim line count. Let's make it 3. Let's slice again. There's 3 layers. Each should be okay. If you go bigger, the brim line count should be bigger. Now, if you want to brim on the inside, you need to go back to Fusion. If you want the whole face on the inside print, which I don't really recommend, we can do that by going to Shell and say we want a bottom thickness of let's say 1 millimeter. We are printing with, let's see what our layer height, initial layer height is 1 millimeter, so we can make the initial layer 1 millimeter. If I go for 2 layers, I'll go for layer height is 0.9, so if I want 2 layers at the bottom, I'll do 1 millimeter plus 0.9, so I'll make it 1.9. If I slice now, as you can see, now I've got a, if I right click on the mouse, I can orbit in Cura, and if you draw here on the right hand side, you can see there's going to be 2 layers. Wall thickness should be 1 layer. It's 2 millimeters, it's right. Top 2 layers. Bottom layers, I only want 1 layer on the bottom, and I don't want any layers on the bottom. Top, let's slice again. Let's see now. Now you can see there's only 1 layer at the bottom. Okay. Now I can print this. Next option is to make a brim on the inside and the outside. So I'll go back to Fusion. What we're going to do now is we're going to modify and make a shape. Now I must remember now what my wall thickness setting is. We've decided to go for a wall of 2 millimeters. So we're going to go to Fusion and we're going to make a thickness of 2 millimeters. So I've selected the top and the bottom. So, okay. Right. Now, if I go and print this body, save as STL. Okay, let's go do print again. If I slice now, and go to preview, you can see there's now a brim on the inside as well. So if you want to glue it on the inside and you want to route to the outside, you can do it that way. Unfortunately, there's no way in Cura on the moment to only do it from the inside. So this is the way I'll recommend it. Router off the outside and you stick it on the inside and you stick your LEDs in and put your face on top. Now, if you want a curve on the top, a 45mm bevel, you can go back to Fusion. And we're going to drag the history marker back one notch. So if we go back before we do the shell, now I'm going to modify. We're working on 2mm, so I'm going to make a chamfer of 2mm. So it comes over by 2mm, same as the thickness of the. I'm going to press enter. There you can see the chamfer now, and now let's hope it's going to work. If I move back, if it's going to shell, perfect. As you can see there, it makes a nice little edge. Now I can close my Cura. Now we're going to send this to Cura. So it's still on the same settings. Preview. You can see. To the limited bevel edge.